Good morning. My name is Srivatsa Das. I am the founder of Business Compass LLC. I'm here today to walk you through the functionalities of Home Finance Professional iPhone and iPad mobile application. This application is also available on Android and BlackBerry platforms, and this is a comprehensive application useful to home buyers, sellers, and real estate agents to perform a number of calculations as well as to analyze affordability, amortization, percentage APR, balloon payment, compare loans, calculate closing cost, calculate durations, and find out how much the home owner would qualify, perform what if analysis, say affordability. Here we enter the inputs, say annual income is this much, 100,000, and monthly debt payment is 2,000. Down payment in now dollar amount is 15,000, and tax rate is 2%, and say property insurance is 0.5%, interest rate is 5%, loan term is 30 years, and the PITI or total debt ratio, those are all default 28 and 36%, but you can also change them. So here is the home value 145,000, loan value is 130,000, and there is a down payment at 10%, and loan to value ratio is 89%. Loan amount is this 145,000. PMI need to be paid, and the home value PMI, here some of the PMI calculations. Amortization, let's see, under a 500,000, and down payment is 20%, and closing cost is 17,000. Home insurance is 1,500. Association fee 200 per month. Annual property tax is 15,000, and loan terms is 30 years, and we are say paying twice a month, and we are making $200 extra payment. Okay, here's the input, and then here's the summary. So it's a loan amount, principal interest, total interest, and reduction in years, savings, etc. You can also email the result. You can also print the result. And now, say detail. So here is basically the amortization schedule. You can print an email as well. Okay, and then here the pie chart of the principal versus the interest, and then various line graphs of total paid, total principal paid, total interest paid. Now APR, say loan amount is 500,000, loan term is 30 years, interest rate is 5%, points is 1, closing cost is 17,000. So what is the APR? So this is the 5.383. Balloon payment. Suppose 500,000, down payment is 20%, closing cost is 15,000, interest rate is 5%, and 30% is a term. Say we are paying optionally $200, and say a month, and here is the balloon point after. So this is the balloon point after 15 years. Loan comparison. We can compare two or more loans. Say we are comparing a loan here, say 5 years, interest rate is 5%. Suppose 6 years, interest rate is 6%, and 7 years, interest rate is 7%. So we added the three loans, and now here is the summary of the loans, and here is the comparison of the loans, and then here the monthly payments comparison. Here is the payment versus total payment versus total interest. And loan cost, say loan amount is this much, loan term is that, and 5.375. That tells us the closing cost. And now duration, we can say 370000, 20%, closing cost is 15,000, and APR is 5, payment is $3,200 a month, and here's what we say. Here we entered the data points, and we see the duration is 12.83 years. So now qualifications, how much loan do we really qualify? Say monthly this much, and the property tax is 1,500, 15,000 per year. Home insurance is $1,500. Debt payment is 2,000. Property price is 5,000. Say down payment is 50% available. So this is how much the qualifying income is required. And then what if analysis. So given three variables, the fourth variable is calculated. Say principal is this much, and loan term is 5 years, interest rate is 5%. Here the payment. So payment is 698.24, and in that case we need to calculate interest rate. So that's what we get. Suppose we have interest rate, we want to calculate the duration, and that's what calculates the duration. Suppose we have both, and then we want to calculate say principal, and we can also calculate principal. So here we see this is a very useful product. Okay, so now going back to the main menu, so this application analyzes a lot of the home finance related calculations and performs a lot of analysis valuable to the home buyer. I hope you find this application to be useful, and please join us at Business Compass LLC to learn more about this. Thank you very much.